Thanks for watching this video. Welcome to this guided meditation for beginners. I'm Noelia, your guide for this meditation. If it's your first time, relax and enjoy the experience. I'll guide you with my voice throughout. Now let's find a comfortable position for you. Sit on a chair, sofa, or floor, wherever you prefer. You can also do this meditation lying down. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and stay comfy. Place your hands on your lap, palms facing up. Close your eyes. That's it. Now start breathing, inhaling through your nose. And exhaling through your mouth. Gently. Once more. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. You're doing great. Let's do it one last time. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Be aware of your body. Feel your body's weight on the chair you're sitting on. Feel the touch of your clothes against your skin. Notice any areas of tension in your body right now. Don't try to change anything, just observe it. With each exhale, feel the tension slowly leaving your body. Imagine you're in a more peaceful place. Picture yourself in a calmer environment. Visualize being in a more tranquil setting. Pay attention to your facial expression. Is it tense or relaxed? Feel your facial muscles and gradually relax them. That's it. You're doing very well. Keep breathing, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Gently. You may have heard that meditation is about emptying your mind. I want you to know that's actually impossible. Our thoughts never truly stop. They were there even before you started meditating. However, when meditating, we can simply observe thoughts without judgment. Don't try to change them. If a thought enters your mind, just observe it. Let it pass. Don't try to push it away. Countless thoughts come and go as you refocus on your breath. Your breath is your anchor. When you drift into thought, gently return to your breathing. Enjoy this moment of awareness, body, self, and present breath. Now take a moment to observe your body again. Can you notice any changes since you began meditating? Observe yourself without judgment. Simply feel the sensations in your body. Enjoy this time with yourself. Gently push a smile onto your face and slowly make small, soft movements. Open your eyes and say to yourself, "Thank you. Our meditation has come to an end." Thank you for giving yourself this moment and sharing it with me. Subscribe for more meditations and tools to become your best self. Share your experience in the comments and hit the notification bell. This was exclusive content from Tanfulness. I'll see you next time.